Hi, and welcome to the BMC Remedyforce Summer 16 Early Access Program. My name is Virginia Leandro, and I'm one of the product managers for BMC Remedyforce. You may not be familiar with Smart Suggestions, but it's an easy way for the system to make suggestions to your staff and help them find the information they may need faster. Currently, Smart Suggestions supports knowledge articles, templates, and broadcasts. But with Summer 16, we've added incident matching as well. This is our legal notice letting you know that what we are demoing today is regarding a future product. This information is provided under NDA, and our safe harbor statement applies. Any purchasing decisions should be based on what is generally available today. Many times when staff start working an incident, they may want to see all incidents open for that given client or account. Or maybe they would like to see if any other incidents are being opened against a similar category. We've now added incident matching as part of Smart Suggestions to help with these type of searches. Let's have a look. This is an upgrade environment, so the first thing we're going to need to do is enable incident matching for Smart Suggestions. From the Remedyforce Administration tab, we'll click on Application Settings and select Consoles. From within Consoles, we'll click on this button called Configure Smart Suggestions. We simply click the checkbox next to Incident Matching and click Save. Be aware that if you're not using Smart Suggestions yet, you may need to also select Enable Smart Suggestions and select any of the other modules you might be interested in testing out. Whatever you do, be sure and save your changes. Now we'll navigate over to the Remedyforce console. And I'm just going to create a new ticket, and my client is going to be Charlotte. Notice incident matching immediately comes back with records that match not only Charlotte's client information, but also the account Universal Systems. So if you're working as an MSP or a managed service provider, you might find this type of search useful. In this example, we can see that Charlotte does have a record currently open regarding her hard disk that's crashed. We can actually take a look at this record by launching it in another window within the console and provide any updates that Charlotte may be calling in for. Assuming that Charlotte is calling in for an update, we can also have the option of going ahead and creating a record and then linking the records together. In this case, I'm going to select 196, where her hard drive has crashed, where she originally reported it, and I'm going to link it as the selected parent of the record 211, the one I just created. Once the two are linked, whoever the staff is working the actual original ticket that was suggested. They can go to now record details and see that Charlotte has called in to check on the recovery of the hard drive, and that ticket has already been attached as a child to this parent if that's a feature that you're using. Another option, and again this can be used by customers or customers who fit that managed service provider, you can also do a search on accounts and have the system come up with all the accounts that are opened and or closed against that particular account. And then as you continue filling out fields such as category, service, the algorithm that runs will continue to run against the system and make the appropriate suggested matches as it goes through and finds matches based on those algorithms. If you're interested in knowing more about incident matching and Smart Suggestions, we'll be documenting and explaining the various algorithms that were applied to find matching records in our online help. We'll also be documenting the differences between incident matching and incident matching for Smart Suggestions, as there are some differences. Remember that during early access, documentation is still a work in progress, so you might want to check back often if you're interested. Thank you for watching this short overview of how to utilize incident matching through Smart Suggestions. We look forward to your comments on the upcoming Remedyforce Summer 16 release.